Hello you guys, CimplyCeCe here, and today you guys, we are going to be doing something I'm really excited about. You already know from the thumbnail, but your girl is going to be trying out some micro lock clip-ins from Curlsqueen. Make sure you guys can see that. I haven't even opened it yet, so you guys, I am so excited. So I have heard about this company, and I've seen a couple of girls with micro locks try them out, and they seem to be good for adding fullness. So I can't wait to unbox this and clip them in, and let's see what we come up with. I received the 10-inch clip-in textured Coily lock extensions. They are 0.2 centimeters wide. This is the Ulta full bundle, which is 10 clip-in pieces, totaling 100 locks from Curlsqueen. Okay, so out of the Ziploc bag, the cute mesh bag, I mean, they have some extra clip-in, little clips. They have a detangling brush, and if you have never seen or used one of these, babies, get one of these. Now I can't use it on mine because I have locks, but I love this. Is one of my favorite detangling brushes that I use on my, especially if you're natural girly. And then they have a drawstring bonnet, which I'm actually excited about because y'all already know how bonnets be falling off our heads, because mine show does. So that's so sweet. I have to thank Curlsqueen for that. I like the little gifts. This is very cute. This is the hair out the package. They had attempted to color match. Of course, we were doing this over the phone. So first thing I noticed is these are too thick for my locks, but I didn't know how to measure them, and so I let her kind of decide. So they're a little thick. I don't think it'll be too bad, but the color is, we gotta work on that. So what we're gonna do, let me clear it up. I grabbed 2 boxes of red. These are things I just had on hand at my salon because I just want to do a rinse. I'm just gonna dip it in there, you know, put some tint on it. I also grabbed this all out of my salons, and it is a level 2 brown. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to get the red out. I'm gonna mix it with brown until I get it dark enough and as close to this as possible, and I will show you guys that. I don't know how much I'm gonna put in. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna measure. I'm just going to do it, and then I'm gonna test it on the napkin and let you guys see what color we came up with.
My feelings on safety, so I don't go shooting where your heart beat. Cause you take the bullet trying to save me, then I'm left to deal with making you bleed.
After using all the color, this is the final color that I came up with. As you can see, it's not as brown. It's still a little bit more red, but I think we can definitely get away with this color.
And that's a whole lot of love, ain't trying to waste it. Like we be running them out and never make it. That's just a bitter for words, don't wanna taste it. That's just a bitter for words, don't wanna taste it.
So this is the color. So when we come in, that's pretty freaking good. You can see it has a little bit more red, but this, y'all saw the before, so let's go. The color did wonderful. Look at this. What's somebody come in here and look at this? Y'all, let me put my hair right over it. Look at this.
I think that I'm tripping, I'm been skipping the time I can try. It's feeling you keep dipping, you keep on hitting it.
So the first thing I'm gonna do with them, I wanna do it in this style. It's why I was having it. I wanna see how full and how big this can get. So let's get to installing them now. So I'm gonna grab me out a few clips, you guys. Some claw clips, maybe even some scrunchies, because I don't need any combs. I just need something to help me get my hair out the way. All of them come with just 2 clips. They're all short. I got a package of 10, which is a lot, so I'm excited. And we're gonna start putting these in.
But I act a fool when I don't get it. And then say they bruising just to save this. But I took And when you love, now I'm addicted. And that's all I love, ain't tryna waste it. Like we be running them out and never make it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna taste it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna face it. But I think that I'm done tripping, I'm tripping, I've been slipping, that's how I control this feeling. You keep giving, you keep on getting you up. Maybe it's your love, it's too good to be true.
That color match looks beautiful. You guys, I've impressed myself with that.
Baby boy, your love got me tripping on you. You know your love is big enough, make me trip on you. It's big enough, got me tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad, fuck tripping on you. Tripping on you, yeah. My bad, fuck tripping on you. Tripping on you, yeah. That is some kind of love, baby. Trip. That is the type of love, maybe. Tripping on you. It's big enough, maybe. Trip. It's big enough, got me tripping on you. I'm done tripping, I'm tripping, I've been slipping, that's how I control this feeling. You keep giving, you keep on getting you up. Maybe it's your love, it's too good to be true. Baby boy, your love got me tripping on you. You know your love is big enough, make me trip on you.
All right, this is with 6. Oh, the fullness. I'm here for it. Let me clip this a lot better so you guys can see before I even add the ones in the front how full my locks are. Oh, I love it. Oh, let me give y'all a little view. Look at that fullness. Can y'all see that? Can you see that? And the color match, oh, it's crazy. That girl good, okay? Oh, this fullness. And they are so lightweight. Like I feel them, but I don't. They're not pulling at my scalp. They are layering beautiful with my locks. I'm taking my fingers through it. It's a few of the little curly ends. I'm just gonna clip them off because my hair doesn't have much curl anymore. Oh, but the fullness is beautiful. I now look like I got 500. Sister Locks. Okay, so let's add in the front.
Sometimes I shave my legs and sometimes I don't. Sometimes I comb my hair and sometimes I won't. Depending on how the wind blows, I might even paint my toe. It really just depends on whatever feels good in my soul. Not the average girl from your video. And I can't be like a supermodel, but I learned to love myself unconditionally because I am a queen. Not the average girl from your video. My worth is not determined by the price of my clothes. No matter what I'm wearing, I will always be TNDRE. When I look in the mirror, the only one there is me.
Y'all, look at this. This is cute. Bring it all to the front. The fullness is crazy good. I believe mine were sent in 10-inch, and I think it was a perfect combination. I actually think it's kind of cute that I have like these little texture pieces that pop out, which kind of go with locks, with the fact that every individual lock is unique. So you guys can see the back. And y'all know I don't have this many locks. These are absolutely beautiful to me, and I cannot wait to do some styles for y'all with these. And I was thinking I wanted to pull it up, but I'm thinking I gotta do a middle part so you can see how it looks in the middle part. But this is with all of them installed. The layering, the color came through so beautifully. So amazing. Let me take off my glasses and get them out the way. I mean, so amazing. And I just have one clip on this side. You guys have to absolutely tell me what you guys think about these.
Every freckle on my face is where it's supposed to be.
excitement when it comes to having like what I can do with my hair. The fullness, I'm here for it. I think this gives me a very natural fullness in my opinion. Like I really love it. The color turned out really good. I did that, but I'm so happy that that blends so well. I think the length is pretty good for my length. The only downside is that when my hair outgrows it, I'm like, I need to get new ones. But as of now, beautiful. I absolutely freaking love this hair. I didn't even think about pulling up, and this is cute. Yeah, I will step outside right now. Just to look like my hair is just huge and just fluffy and full and just off my face. And it's just giving, it got me feeling some kind of way. These are some of my favorite things right now. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I absolutely love them. This is so cute. I like, cause I didn't know about ponytails. I can pull into the ponytail, guys. So you guys, we're gonna get out of here. We're gonna thank you again, Curlsqueen, for sending me these clip-ins. They are beautiful. I am so excited to have them. I'm so excited to do new styles with them. And I'm gonna be coming with some styling videos for you guys as I keep exploring and messing with them. I'm so excited. I think to the naked eye, they look so natural. I do not believe that if I was walking down the street, y'all would know that I had these. Y'all don't even know because we was here. But I think they are beautiful. This has been a wonderful experience. Absolutely, you guys, you should check them out. If you have finer hair like me, you will love this. I use 10 clips, all of them. I know there's gonna be times where I don't have to. So if you don't want it as full, you know you can customize it to whatever suits your style and what makes you feel really comfortable. You do not have to make it as full as mine, but I am like the bigger the better, okay? And I am not from Texas. So all I'm saying is I freaking love how big my ponytail looks. Like the fullness I get in here because they're reversed. I didn't pull it up tight. They do not hurt, you guys. If they are hurting you, and if you saw I was re-sticking them, because if I felt anything was snagging, I knew that wasn't where it was supposed to be. But even with it up, this is comfortable. Very lightweight. They're extremely lightweight, you guys. I'm impressed with how much I love them. I really felt like I would like them. I was excited to do this video and get these in the mail. I was not expecting to fall in love like this. Like the only downside is like once my hair is too long, I can't wear them anymore. I'm gonna have to only use them in updos, and I want it to be able to create. So I'll probably have to buy some more myself. But thank you so much, Curlsqueen, for sponsoring this video and sending me these clip-ins. They are wonderful. They are worth your guys' to try it out. Wonderful. And as you saw with mine, they had tried to color match them for me, which I greatly appreciated. That is hard to do over emails and things like that, but they created a foundation that made it easy for me to just put a color over. They lifted it, or whatever they use, it got it light enough to where I can I could do this. And as you guys can see, let me get y'all, I got my buns up there. As you guys can see, and it went wonderful. I couldn't ask for anything else. I love this. These are adorable. Check them out, you guys, because I think they have all other things. Everything is going to be linked in the description down below. Everything that I have, all of that. There is going to be a coupon code for you guys as well. I believe it's CIMP, C-I-M-P, and you can get money off, so check that out. Go explore, have some fun. If you're new to the lock journey, they have different lengths. Have some fun. I promise you, if I knew that this was a thing back when I started and mine were shorter, I would have absolutely got these for fullness. When it's longer, it's a little different, but I'm not gonna lie, I love how full and how big my hair is with these clip-ins. Y'all will see me using them again. I love them. I'm gonna use them until they look weird because my hair too long. I'm not gonna even lie. But I'm gonna get out of here because I will babble on and on forever. But I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial of everything, how I prepped the hair, how we applied it into the 2 styles, well 3 if we add our little messy bun at the end, which I do love. I'm okay that we're ending on this note. But you guys, as always, stay blessed, stay motivated, and stay close to God. And I will talk to you all in the next one. Bye, you guys.